Hey, if you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, I think you should do so today. Right now, I'm going to give you guys 5 reasons as to why you should start your own YouTube channel and why it's the best decision you could ever make. Over the past 10 years, personally, I've absorbed a lot of YouTube content. I started in about high school and I absolutely loved YouTube. I thought it was a better medium than TV because you could curate the content to whatever you want, whether it be about sports, music, movies, makeup, fashion, cars, engineering, comedy, you name it. YouTube basically had any niche that you want inside the platform. And I would absorb whatever niche I was interested in at the time to an unhealthy degree. And I would watch these YouTubers for years just go from channels that had about maybe 10, 50, a few thousand subscribers to millions of subscribers, and just be fascinated at the growth that they would accomplish over the years of being consistent and giving people content that they would love to watch. So as of late, I started thinking, wow, YouTube has really changed the lives of a lot of people, whether it be for better or for worse, depending on what they do with that, newfound notoriety. But I just wanted to list about 5 reasons why I think you should start your own YouTube channel today.
You said that already!
Fine, jeez, my bad, I'll get started. Reason number 1, the cost of YouTube is basically free. Most things you need to get started with a YouTube channel are 1, a Google account, which links to your YouTube, 2, a computer and or phone that's connected to Wi-Fi so you can send the YouTube videos, publish the YouTube videos, 3, a microphone so you can record the audio for your YouTube videos, and 4, which is optional, a camera. These 4 things combined allow you to create, edit, and curate content for your YouTube audience. This will then give you the ability to share your content all over the world. Whether you live in the United States, you can share with people who live in the UK, or if you live in China and share it to people who live in Australia, you name it, you can share it with people from wherever, whenever. And I think it's a cool thing that YouTube allows people to, see different parts of the world and experience different parts of other people's cultures and societies. The second reason I think you should start your own YouTube channel today is rags to riches.
Hold on. Let me change the flow up.
Let's be honest, we all know that YouTube as of late has made it very clear that people can create absolute bags in terms of financial stability from what they've been able to do for other people. We've seen people go from, starting YouTube channels in their bedroom or, doing it as a side gig in between their jobs to absolutely living off the income that comes off of YouTube, the AdSense that it creates, and the brand deals that people are able to get from those videos that they create. With that being said, I think it wouldn't be a bad idea for you to continue making YouTube videos and having it be a side hobby for now and then creating it into your main hobby, or just going full throttle into YouTube and seeing what it may net you. Yeah, it may not take you a year, like some people get lucky with, but if you're consistent with it and you're able to consistently put out good content, people will continue to watch your videos, your audience will continue to grow, and from that, you may be able to make more money and get the bag that you so desire. And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big YouTuber if you keep going. Reason number 3 why you should start your own YouTube channel is because, let's face it, there are worse people who are famous out there. I'm not going to name names because that wouldn't be very nice of me, but I think you can find this information if you looked hard enough. There have been tons of celebrities and or YouTubers included that because they've acquired so much wealth, or just because they happen to be these people in general, they've tended to scam their fans out of money or promises that they've made them. They've mistreated their fans or the people who supported them and allowed them to get to where they are in life, or they just have overall questionable morals in terms of how they move around in this so-called game of life. I think if you're able to stay underneath that threshold of person who doesn't take advantage of people, who is at least nice to their fans, and or is someone who does right by giving the fans the content they want, I think you're in a good standing as to why you should be a new YouTuber. Reason number 4 why you should become a YouTuber is because your channel may be able to do some good in the world. A lot of channels that people have created were created out of a whim or to not expose necessarily, but to shine some light on facets of their life or lives of others, or to bring joy to people in general. And through these videos, I can assume that there have been thousands of messages sent to these creators as to how these videos have helped improve the lives of the viewers in which they've reached. And I think having that sort of impact on people's lives is something that a lot of YouTubers, take pride in, because they know deep down in their heart that the videos that they create have been able to do justice to other people's lives, as well as make the world a better place, when it sometimes seems to be this bleak, dark hole of negativity and just nastiness. So I think you creating a YouTube channel that does good and is able to uplift others, or at least make others happy, is definitely a good thing to aspire towards. The final reason I would add as to why I think you should become a YouTuber is, what do you have to lose? At the end of the day, whether you create a YouTube channel or not, your life is going to go on regardless of what you do.
So creating a YouTube channel would only add to what you have going on in your life already.
So let's say that you sit around watching YouTube videos for about 3 or 4 hours a day after you get home from work, or you have summer break and you have 5 hours a day to play with in between whatever activities you have going on. I think you creating a YouTube channel would only be able to enhance yourself as an individual by, 1, making yourself more creative.
2, it will help you either improve or learn skills such as editing, videography, and sound production. And 3, it could also help you find a new interest that you might want to pursue in the future. There are plenty of creators who have used YouTube as an avenue to either transition into voice acting, cooking, being actors, and other things. Such opportunities probably wouldn't be possible if they hadn't started their YouTube careers.
So then at the end of the day, you really have nothing to lose by starting a YouTube channel. You only have something to gain. Yeah, let's say you decide to start the YouTube channel and it doesn't pop off the way you want it to, and you quit. Yeah, it was a failed venture, but at the end of the day, you don't lose something by not continuing the channel. You gain something by realizing, hey, this might not be something I'm interested in, this might not be something I really want to do, or maybe I can hone these skills in some other sense and translate them to something else that I want to do. But at the end of the day, you realize that you can either use the skills from YouTube to channel them into something else, or you can use the skills that you gain from making YouTube videos to transfer over into being better at the skill and improving and only getting better at the craft. So those are just my thoughts.
I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below if you have any questions or concerns, or want to leave your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.